Hi guys, welcome back to another tutorial video. So in today's video, I'll show you how to use Grok AI for free. So if you want to chat with Grok without paying for a subscription, just follow along. First, download the Grok app in your phone. After that, open the app and then sign in with your account or create one if you already have one. Once you're logged in, start a new chat and type a question or prompt into the message box. Grok offers a free tier, so you can use it without purchasing a subscription. However, the free version comes with users limits and some advanced features are reserved for paid plans. You can use Grok to answer questions, help with writing, summarize information, brainstorm ideas, and much more. If you reach the free users limit, you'll need to wait for the limit to reset or upgrade to a paid plan for higher users allowance. Keep in mind that the availability of the free tier can vary depending on your region. So that was how to use Grok AI for free. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more helpful tutorials. Thank you for watching.